So I think that looks pretty good if you ask me. Some spots are still a little punky. We're just gonna go, I'm gonna go over by hand and just grab the small stuff that we picked up either with the bucket or the box blade. But other than that, that's as level as I'm gonna get it. But that's pretty good. Keep in mind too, we have 40 yards of dirt to spread. So that's why we dug the hole with the Kubota. We filled in this low spot here. We box bladed it. We packed it with the bucket. So we're gonna hand spread everything else. So as you can see here, everything's still kind of soft. We only excavated so many days ago, but there's not gonna be any equipment out here but a lawnmower. So this will all settle. We'll spread the nice topsoil over it. It should look pretty good. So now what I have to do now is I'm just gonna go through, hand rake, pick up stuff that, you know, I discovered earlier that just reappeared like this, things like that. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, woo! I think that's a wrap. Just need a light rake. Everything is cut. Like if I show you here, I don't even know if you can see on camera. Stuff like this, it's all cut. There's not a root to be had. We box bladed it, we York raked it, we dragged the bucket on it. That's all the area you saw with the backhoe, digging up the dirt. We filled in that level the best we could, but we got 40 yards of dirt, so we should have plenty of room to work with. So just wanted to show you guys. So next up on the homestead, we are gonna spread 40 yards of cow poop. So we're gonna spread this around, hand rake it for a nice finish so the hydro seed will stick. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Hope you like what you see, and yeah, it's coming up pretty good. 3 days of manual labor, but we're saving money and doing it ourselves. So appreciate it, we'll see you later.